Fengdi. Bomb caller, Fengdi.
Fengdi bomb caller, okay.
Nagamit ko.
Mark Fengdi.
One hand mace.
Melee bomb, no? Melee bomb.
Definitely melee bomb.
1 melee bomb, 1 main zerg engage, then
2 melee bombs. 2 melee bombs.
2 melees. Okay. Copy.
Post full brawl na.
Careful for headbutts ha. May flex demon sa get ready to demon every time we engage. Yeah.
How offensive.
May bomb, try to counter for me, may bomb squad. May miss piercers.
Dismount na. Ano yung
Try nyo i-counter yung gate pag nag-hit yung melee bomb cell.
main color nila?
Double
Gaga
easy.
Definitely not
Control.
Gaga shot. Stunning din no? Stun din no? If you have...
Nice.
We're chilling. We want the escalation. Fuck, they have us. We want the escalation. Ready, they're looking to engage now. They're looking now. That's fake. That's real. My bad, that's real. That's melee bomb as well. Careful. One more cooldown, boys.
Bali HD and Feng D yung melee bomb color.
Ready, east side of the gate. Ready, east side of the gate. Chill. Wait. East side of the gate. Ready? East in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it, boys. Ready there. Just ready up. They might flood in. What's the gate HP? Ready, they're gonna flood in. Melee tanks, stop them now. Ready to Giga. Just get ready. Left. Chill. Hold your CDs, boys. Hold your CDs. 2 more CDs. Hold it. Hold your CDs. We're chilling.
Melee bomb colors aren't natin si issue.
Okay.
Hindi.
Yo, QSNWs on that fucking Basi, please. Dismount that fucking Basi, no? Don't suck on him, though. Don't suck on him.
They're looking.
Ready, left. On the choke, Sakis. Wait. Chill na. QSNWs on the people inside of you, QSNWs.
Can you guys not stack up?
Yeah, do not suck, please.
Caller front and no one else.
This. Asilis.
They're looking now. Get ready, Ready, boys. Headbutt southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast out. On the gate, boys. On the gate. Can you heal me? Heal me front. Come back. Full come back. Ready to hold them now. Yo, face kill sandals inside. Bomb. Ready bomb inside. Careful. The spread. Nice spread. QSNWs to the people inside of you,
Look.
Nice. They're looking. They're still looking. May melee tanks, Jump on the choke once they try to go in. Okay?
Do I see that?
One on maces ready.
Mag-engage yung coach niya.
Yeah, ready. Wait. Left. Full depth. Ready. Southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. On the choke, boys. It's fucking huge. Hit the choke. Come back. Hold him now. Keep holding. Next defenses. Just hold.
Cover mo yun.
Yeah. Come north. Yo. Everyone come north. Go north. Give them the space. Give them. Regroup north. Come north. Yo. Positions, Yung north as well. Hug the north as well. Yo, get ready to help castle. He's getting kidnapped. Ready, help front, Left. Oh my god, Miopi. We're still chilling. Boys, ready. We're looking northeast side of the gate. Ready? Northeast side of the gate. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Hit it, boys. Nice delete. Come back. Ready, def. Just come back for now.
Pa-check nung gate,
Yep, keep checking gate HP, please. Keep checking gate HP. 20%. Get ready to hold them. Ready? We're gonna bait, Come southwest. Click through. Everyone hold them now. Bomb, get ready to hit, Mag-hit na nga kayo, Jel, from northwest. Nice hit, nice hit, nice hit. Come northeast now, come northeast now. Walk in, everyone. Full walk in. Full walk in, full walk in, full walk in. Giga. Ready. On the choke, on the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown, boys, Hit, Mr. Bomb. Come back, Southwest. Ready there. Up your defenses if mag-engage siya. Ready. One more cooldown. Come back, Southwest. Ready to help the front. Get ready. Hodge looping. Guard runes on the front, please. Guard runes. Runes now. Yeah?
Eka yung Jade.
Gel may CD ka. That's fake. Do not def that. Ready? Def now. Ready, boys. Counter on the gate. Ready on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just on the gate. On the crown, boys. Big. Keep hitting. Keep dropping damage. Come back. Ready for one more CD. Chill. We're chilling. Yo, they're pulling up. Hey, come northeast, boys. Come northeast. Come in. Yo, kidnap the tanks, please. Kidnap the tanks. Ready on the choke, northeast. Ready? Def. Chill. One more CD. North, straight north of the con. Ready? North in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North on top of me, boys. Big. One shot these dogs. Come back, Southwest. Full peel now. Huwag niyo pasuntukin, huwag niyo pabawiin. Come back, Southwest. Huwag niyo pabawiin. Ready, def the front. Come Southwest. Nice. Nice hit. Was there a hit? No, there was. We're chilling. You'll stop their tanks from bonking. Get ready to hold this choke, boys. Spread out. Get ready to hold this choke. Once they try to push in, we're gonna push back northeast. We're gonna push northeast if they try to hold this. If they try to push in.
Left guard.
Yeah, we're chilling. 20%. Ready. Once they push in, wait, chill. Spread out, get ready to go northeast. Just spread. Wait, we're chilling. We're still chilling. Ready, def. Come northeast, giga northeast. I'm northeast now, boys. Giga northeast, walk the fuck in northeast. Full fucking brawl. Def northeast now. Come northeast. Dive with me, boys. Dive with me. Come northeast. Ready. East of the con in 5, 4, 3, 2, on top of the con. Big. Spread now. Do not come back Southwest. Spread on this choke. Spread on this hallway. Pagka bumalik kayo Southwest, makikita kayo ng main color. Naligaw yung main color nila. Just stay here. They're looking now. Ready, def. That's real. Def. Yo, I told you guys that's real. That was so slow. Ready, come Southwest. Push in again. They have one more engage. Ready. I'm gonna engage Southwest on top of the crown. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on top of me. Big again, boys. Can you delete? Come Southwest. Yo. Go out of the choke. Come Southwest. Play open here with the catapults. Def north. They just hit one more cooldown, boys. Get ready defensives on one more cooldown. Stop stacking southeast. They're looking at you. They're looking southeast. Careful. Def southeast. Don't die southeast, please. Ready. One more engage on the crown. Northwest of the room. Ready. West in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. Fucking big. Everyone's there. Can we spread again. Just stay spread. Def now. That's real. Def. My defense is up. One more engage. Keep dropping silences. Nice kill. Yo, keep dropping silences. Ready, we're gonna engage east side of the crown. This side. Ready. North in 5, 4. Wait. Sorry, CD. Wait, come northeast. Giga northeast now. Come northwest. Help the bomb. Come northwest. Push through northwest. Ready. North, on the Lord Room. Ready? East side of the Lord Room. Ready. North of the Lord Room in 5. North in 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Big, boys. It's big. Come south. Come back to the courtyard. We're still alive. How many DA do I have? I don't know. Wait. Ready there.
No more DA.
No more DA.
Just hit.
GG. Call GG. GG.
Sobrang tilas nila, pre.
Ang ina. Ang kunat ng tank, pre.
That's a good chip, ah.
Unti nang sumusunod sa Yarning. Dami
Ay, yung dive natin sa
Northeast.
Northeast. Sana yung dive natin sa Northeast, pre. Sayang. Eh, sorry, I forgot to record, guys. Let's vote review later.
Meron ako.